بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Since we know the long vowels, it's time to test ourselves. The first letter is A. What's this small alif? It's another way of writing the long vowel alif. It becomes A. The word reads Aamana. Aamana. Next example. This reads Rijaalun. So it's not Rijaalun, it's Rijaalun with a long vowel. What does this read? The first letter is A. The second letter is La. What's the third letter? Is it a Ya? No, that's an Alif Maqsurah. It's another way of writing the long vowel. It reads Alaa. Alaa. This reads Fihi. Fihi. This is the long vowel. You can tell it is a long vowel because there are no marks on it, and the letter before it has a kasrah. If I put a kasrah on the ya, it won't be a long vowel anymore, and won't read fihi. It would read fihi. Fihi. This reads turaban. Turaban. Very good. This reads wujuhun. Wujuhun. Great. What does this read? We know this part reads ma, but what's this? That is a lam and an alif. It reads lan. So the word reads ma lan. Malan. This reads athimin. Athimin. Very good. This looks a little tricky. It reads ailan. Ailan. Excellent. What's this symbol near the ha? That's another way of writing the long vowel ya. It reads bihi. Bihi. What's this symbol on the Hamza? It's the long vowel of alif. It reads a. Does it read Aawaa? No, that's the Alif Maqsurah. It reads Aawaa. Aawaa. This one is very tricky. Let's split the word so it looks easy. This is the same word. It reads la. La. If I change the position of the Hamza to here, it would read different. It would look like this. And now it would read la. La. It becomes a short vowel. Do you see the difference between the two? One Hamza is before the alif, and the other is on the alif. The one before the alif is the long vowel. This last one is a tricky one too. It reads ma'aban. Ma'aban. Notice how we stretch the a sound because of this symbol? Ma'aban. Very good. Practice some more examples so it becomes easy for you.